Can't get no better than plug and play.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be helping my boy with some EcoBoost mods. Pretty excited about it, but we're gonna be putting a blow-off valve on it today and also a deck lid cover. And so just two little things, but it's gonna be fun to put our hands on because I've never worked on one before. He's got a couple things coming that we're also gonna film. He's got a Borla attack exhaust on the way, cold air intake on the way. I think that's it, right? I think so. Yeah, so we're gonna help him do that stuff too, but today we're doing the blow-off valve and the cover for the deck lid, and I'll introduce him once we have his car in the garage and all that good stuff. But he wanted to go for a cruise in the vet real quick, so we're gonna show him what she can do, and when we get back, we're gonna pull the EcoBoost in and start working on it. Let's go. Sorry guys if you can't see very well. That time she spun him. That time she was spinning.
That's awesome. That took my hat off.
I missed third because I was acting out.
Feel that pop?
Yeah, that pop was, I felt that in my body, dude. Yes, sir. All right, guys, so we're back and we're about to get started. I'm so freaking excited for this. I watched a couple videos that he showed me of these cars with blow-off valves on them, and it sounds so freaking good. So we're gonna get started on that, and then we're gonna do the deck lid cover thing afterwards, but we're gonna go ahead and get this done now because I gotta hear it, and I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, I'm gonna let Bullshark talk about what this is, what he's got here, you know, what he's got done to it, what he plans to do. And so he might be awkward because he's never been filmed before, but here's Bullshark.
So I got my 4-cylinder EcoBoost Mustang here. Now the only thing that's been done to it is nothing. I have brand new wheels and tires. I just put on it last week. Got in the rear we got 307s, 20x10s. Can't really see. Get your light.
There you go.
They're a little dirty. And then in the front we got 20x9s, 255s, and they're 20s front and back. I got Borla attack exhaust on the way, K&N cold air intake on the way, and then there's some small stuff I want to do, like a chin splitter. A bigger intercooler is gonna come probably within the next couple months.
This car isn't automatic.
The 10 speeds are gnarly.
The 10 speeds are insane. They really are, but this thing's sweet. I've heard this car with a blow-off valve, not the specific one, but I have heard of these cars with a blow-off valve, and it sounds insane. So once he gets the Borla attack on here, we get the cold air intake, we get the blow-off valve, it's gonna be right.
I don't know.
And honestly, these cars are just freaking gorgeous. It is so freaking aggressive.
Yeah, the body lines on this car are crazy.
It's a beautiful car, it really is. And these things catch way too much hate for what they are. And I'm gonna talk way more about that when I review this car. We're gonna get some more stuff done to it before I do like a full-on EcoBoost review, but don't sleep on these. This is an amazing daily, especially if you have that 10-speed auto. You don't even have to worry about shifting, so I love it. We're gonna review it. We're gonna make this build freaking awesome. And this is Bullshark's first build, so me and Isaiah are gonna try and help him like figure out some stuff, try and teach him some stuff. I'm done rambling. We're done rambling, so let's just go ahead and get into the install. Pretty simple though, like I said. Just 3 little screws and then it pops right out, and you gotta unplug one connector. And then you just pop the other one in. And we'll show you which one he got so that if you wanted to get it, you can.
TurboSmart Dual Port blow-off valve.
Yeah, we're pretty close.
Yeah. Here's the box it comes in. It's pretty small. It's got some foam in there to protect it. It comes with 3 additional bolts, so I mean you can keep them or throw them away just in case something happens to your other ones. You can't get no better than plug and play.
How much was this one for you?
I think the dual port was $250, and then the single port was like $209.
Gotcha.
AmericanMuscle.com. From what I read, it was louder. That was the only difference. You pay $50 to get a better sound.
We're gonna finish this up real quick. I'm not even gonna keep filming it. I'm just gonna let Isaiah take it out and then we'll put the other one in and then get right to the sound.
Ooh, look at this stance.
Yada 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 yada.
Boy, god dog.
What's over here? Come here. Sorry guys, I meant to have both of them out so I could show you the differences. That's on me. But the other one looks kind of like this one, except it has a wire coming out of here, which you saw. And this little assembly right here is a completely different. That one has like a spike that comes, it's like in here in the barrel, and then it comes down, and then when air is pushed on it and it needs to open up, it pushes like that. This one obviously does the same exact thing, but the whole design is completely different than the other one. And this is just cheap. Like, this is plastic. You can hear how that sounds. Sounds cheap. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That sounds insane. I'm literally so happy with that. That turned out a million times better.
That's sweet, bro.
Dude, that's so awesome. Hopefully it sounds really good on camera too, but in person that is so freaking loud. Didn't want to do like a full install because it's 3 bolts and connector. So y'all can do this at your house 10-15 minutes at the very, very most, and that's not knowing what you're doing. So quick, easy install, and the car sounds sick. We're gonna go ahead and start on the cover for the back. Bullshark looked up how to do this. I don't know how to do this, but it seems like it's gonna be pretty freaking easy. Bullshark said you gotta take these bad boys off first. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get those off. And I guess there's screws up in there holding this on, or bolts I mean.
Yeah.
And this is the difference. We're getting rid of that. Ugly ass.
The emblem, these little lines.
Stupid lines, yeah. And putting this bad boy on. All that there is holding it up top, so you got the 4 screws, and then up at the top it's just clips, as we can see on the side. And done. She needs to be wiped off, but there she is, looking clean, looking a lot better than that, most definitely. That is a big improvement. I think my boy likes it. Now she sounds good, she's looking a little better, one step at a time. Brief intermission right here. I know the vet hasn't gotten any parts lately. I'm saving up for something big. I'm trying to get a new car. And so bear with me. It will get stuff soon, but I gotta get this other car first, which honestly is best because then we have double the content to put out for you guys. And the next car I'm gonna get, I'm purposely getting a car with some issues so that we have even more stuff to film. The vet is so stout that I literally can't break it even if I wanted to. So there's nothing to do except for buy more. You are not touching it, Isaiah, because you put things in ditches. He doesn't get to touch it. And if you want to see him put something into a ditch, he put his truck into a ditch and I had to save him. Little link is going to be up in one of these corners. I still haven't figured out which one it is. I think it's this one. Big things are coming and they're just coming really slow right now, but
Or maybe not at all.
it is what it is. More stuff coming soon, a new car coming soon. Back to the video. So if you like this car, drop down in the comments. Let me know if you want me to do a full review on it, because I really want to, but I only want to do it if you guys want to see it. So let me know. Drop a like on the video. I will see you guys next time. Love you. Peace. And don't forget to subscribe. Peace.